Hello, Alicia. This is Mr. Gibson, and I'm going over the problem you sent me in the email about Part B of this section. It says, compare the methods used to perform the operations in Part A. Describe how the methods are similar and how they are different. Okay, now we get here to B. It says, how are these methods similar and how are they different? Select all that apply. Okay, now we look here at A. A says all methods require addition of fractions. We could clearly see that 1 and 2 do not require that, so we know we would not pick A. Okay, now we go to B. Only 3 and 4 require finding the LCD of the fractions. Now, if we look here, the only time we need to find the LCD is when we're adding or subtracting fractions, which we have here, and they have to have different denominators. So B is correct. But listen, remember the directions say select all that apply, so we need to read the rest of these before we submit our answer. Now it says all methods result in integer answers. That's not correct because we know integers are not fractions. So now we go to D. Only 1 and 2 require finding the prime factorization of both the numerator and the denominator. Now basically, whenever you're multiplying and you're trying to simplify before you get to your answer, that's a form of finding the prime factorization. So that would be also 1 and 2. So D is also correct. Now we come to E. Only 1 and 4 require finding the prime factorizations of whole numbers. Now, there are no whole numbers in any of these fractions, so we know E is incorrect. Now we go to F. All methods may require simplification of fractions. Now it says may, that means it could be or it could be not. And we know with every fraction, if you have a situation where they have more than just one in common, you would simplify. So you would pick this as well because it's possible that it can need simplifying, it's possible it cannot. So F is included. Now we go to G. Only 1 and 3 require finding the LCD of the fractions. Now 1 does, but 3 does not, but 2 does. So we know that that statement is incorrect. Now we go to H. All methods require multiplication of fractions. And that is true. We know 1 and 2 does, but 3 and 4 does also because remember, you have to find that common denominator. And once you find a common denominator, you're going to multiply these fractions that need to be changed by another fraction. For example, we know both of these denominators are supposed to be 6. We will have to multiply this fraction by 2 over 2, which is a fraction. And the same thing for number 4. So H is also an answer. So B, D, F, and H. So let's check it. We'll click final check. It is correct, and we are done.